Hi, this is Nova Dimitri and I'm in a super interesting place. You've never seen anything quite like it. It's kind of like the laboratory of Dr. Caligari. Check out what is going on here on this side. Check out this. And check out this one as well. What is all this stuff? Well, let's talk to the creator. The creator is right next to us. It's Pietro, and he's gonna tell us something about what this place is.
Hello.
And what he's done. And tell us about this place.
Well, this is a fantastic place, where a dreaming place. I have some machines that make dreams.
That make dreams, dream machines.
Dream machines. So
great.
I will show you this one.
Okay, we're ready.
This machine is about the rain day.
It's a rain day.
Rain day.
Okay.
You see the stick of rain?
Yes.
And this is a raining day in Alcantara. Why? We have the bookshop Lisbon where we are now.
Yes.
And now you will hear the sound of the rain. Look, the Lisbon. Look, artwork is Raquel, my colleague downstairs.
Okay.
My bicycle there.
Your bicycle, exactly.
Yes, the flying bison. Those three are moving, and when there is wind, all the clouds will move. You shall see the moon behind.
The moon?
Yes.
Where is the moon?
We shall see the moon now.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
The moon.
And what is that couple? I see a couple with an
the-
umbrella.
In all my pieces, there is a little bit of love. They are the lovers.
They're the lovers. Okay.
And they bank waiting for springtime, so now it's wet. They can see.
Oh, wow. So Pietro in this particular piece has created this kind of rainy winter night ambiance with a rain, a couple, and even a hopeful bench waiting for the spring sun for the couple to sit on.
Okay.
This is one of several of these beautiful mechanical worlds that Pietro creates.
And if you have here the seat
And
of
he
the
has
space.
another one, which is the space.
The seat of the space.
This is the city of the space, and he's
Look.
going to show us a second more of what this looks like. Here I'm going to go.
Look.
Pietro is here, and he's showing us.
You see it's a little city. You see the little houses.
This is the city with the little houses. It's a multi-story city in outer space.
And we shall send a satellite.
And he is about to send a satellite to this city of space. He's controlling everything from a cell phone. A music has started right now, and the city of space is being launched, is being kind of created, and he's fine-tuning the
You
city
hear
of
the
space.
sound.
And we're hearing the sound. It sounds a little bit like the Space Odyssey, 2001 Space Odyssey. I think this is Richard Strauss, also sprach Zarathustra, right? Correct?
Yes.
And he has launched the satellite. The Space Lab Moon 14 has launched out under his careful direction of pressing buttons and controlling this wonderful contraption. Pietro, this is just absolutely lovely. Thank you so much for showing it to us.
Thank you to you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Noma Dimitri from Lisbon, from another one of the crazy places that we run into in this lovely city. Ciao.